to Saf's Glam Beauty. Today is another melt and pour soap video again. So I'm gonna be using these Bumbleberry soap base, and I'm using this Balm soap more. I want to play with a lot of colors today, but I don't know what to do. So I'm thinking about yellow, brown, black and stuff. Or I could use these beautiful colors, the green, teal, is it teal or turquoise, whatever, purple. Like, I want to do a fun color, but I just cannot wrap my hand around what I really want to do. But in the meantime, I'm still thinking about what to do. Here I have my cups. I know I'm gonna be doing 3 colors, so definitely that's why I have those. I have my preservative, my glycerin, some coconut oil, argan oil. I just want this soap to have some nice ingredients. I have some rosemary, and I have some butter vanilla extract. Okay, so like, I just want to do something fun. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up the soap, and then we start the process. So like, wherever you see is what you get. Like, let's just do this. Okay? And I'm gonna pop this in the microwave, and I'll be right back. I finally made up my mind. I'm gonna be going with this, all because I have this honeycomb, and the yellow and brown represent honey and all of that. So that's what I'm gonna be going with, okay? Right now, all of the soap have been melted really nicely. So I'm gonna be taking the different colors and putting it in them like that. Yup. Okay, let's see. So you guys, I made a big fool of myself, okay? I thought I could pour like this and I would get my design that I wanted, but little did I know I was making a mess. So I am not giving up. I'm gonna do this right, okay? So watch me clean up my mess that I created. This is what I did. I got a new mold because I had two of them. This is the first one that I messed up. So I decided to get a new mold and then like do the right thing, okay? So right now I'm waiting for my soap to melt down because it got hard. During the process of working on this, it got a little bit hard. So I just want to melt it down properly and then come and pour right before your eyes, okay? I don't know if you can see, but let me push this in front a little bit and put the soap right here. I don't want it to burn, so I didn't let it melt down totally, but we are getting there. Okay, I'm excited and nervous at the same time because I don't know what is soap will look like, but let's see what it is. Like I always said, this is the moment of truth. After all said and done, this is what we've been waiting for. Okay. I'm just tearing it now and just trying to like making sure that everything has been melted properly and all of that good stuff. Okay? So I'm gonna be pouring it. I don't know, I got 2 hands only. How am I gonna do this? Okay. But I'm gonna put this in the freezer for like an hour and I'll be right back. We are back. Finally, it took us forever for the soap to get hard and all of that, but I'm not mad. I'm happy because it looks good from the outside here. I don't know what's going on down there, so shall we? Let's just demo these, okay? All right, I'm super happy to do this, but I don't know what to expect, okay? So let's do this. Uh-oh, comes out super. OMG. Is this for real? Are you guys seeing this? My gosh. Oh my God. Like every last one has a different design. That's what I like about the marble effect, because you get different design all of the time. I'm happy. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh my God. I haven't had a reaction in a long time. Like, this is my first time using this mold, you guys. Maybe that's why. Oh. I am really happy. The bottom is really ugly, but look at the top, y'all. Okay, let's put this to the side and put this on board. Okay. Don't it look like food or something? Like it look edible, right, you guys? These are so gorgeous. I am so shocked that it's looking like this. Like, I am totally in shock. I am not mad at this project. Instead, I'm happy and proud at the same time because I really thought this project was a fail. What made, like, I don't know why I thought that, because you know how we are as people. We always underestimate ourselves. Even when we know it's good, we always think it's not good enough. But anyways, you guys, I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.